Hello? How does it feel to know that you guys are supporting genocide? How does it feel to know that you guys are supporting genocide?
Support what?
Genocide. I mean, children are dying in Palestine. McDonald's sending the money. How does it feel to know that?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Why are you asking me?
Because you're an employee here.
I don't know what you're saying. You're talking about.
No problem. Enjoy your day, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day. Guys, how does it feel knowing you support genocide? How does it feel knowing you support genocide? Huh? Yeah, it's fine. Stick to your phone. Don't listen. How does it feel knowing you support genocide? How does it feel knowing that you support children dying in Palestine? It's fine. Eat your happy meals. Eat while children die under the rubble. Your money goes to children dying. You know that. But it's fine. Enjoy your meals. Enjoy it, because the day some other country decides to bomb us, the day we go in war with Russia, the day we are under the same way that the Palestinians are suffering, no one will stand for us. It's fine. Enjoy your meals. Have a good day. Have a good day. Stupid. Wallah, stupid. And sad to see Muslims also there. They're all looking at me, thinking I'm weird. No, it's good.